Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to recover Google Play Store on Android. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, if you mistakenly remove the Google Play Store application on your Android phone and now you want to recover it or you want to bring it back, then this is what you need to do. First, you want to search your home screen to see whether the Play Store application is available. If it is not, then go ahead to your app screen. On your app screens, it should say the Play Store application. Now, to recover the Play Store application, all you need to do is press and hold the Play Store application, then click on Add to Home Screen. You can just press and hold it and drag it to your preferred location and then let it go. Then this is going to recover the Play Store application for you. On the other way around, if you don't want to use this approach, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings application. On your phone settings, locate and click on apps. Now, you need to scroll down until you get to Play Store. So, just keep scrolling until you get to the Play Store or Google Play Store. You can easily search for Google Play Store or Play Store services. Click on that. Now, scroll down, you should see Enable. That shows your Google Play Store was disabled. To recover it, click on Enable, and that is going to enable the Play Store application. Now, the final step is this. Go back to your app menu. You should see the Play Store again. Press and hold it. Click on Add to Home Screen. Just drag and drop it wherever you want to drop it on your home screen, and then let it slide. Now you can now go ahead and open the Play Store application on your Android. So that is basically how to recover Google Play Store on Android. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.